Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize our high contrast keyboard option in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for the options to customize our high contrast keyboard. So by default our keyboard looks like this. We can turn on our high contrast mode in settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, then visibility enhancements, and here we have high contrast keyboard. We can turn on this option right here, but we can also customize it a little bit more. We have example how our keyboard will look like, and we have a few options to choose from if we want to. So let's go back and see our keyboard has been changed. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.